Electronic Project 3, design a circuit with various kinds of diode. Okay, this third video is still a preparation for making an electronic project. It's a basic knowledge you need, how to use the diode. First of all, you have to know what kind of diode existing. Okay, the diode is very cheap actually. You can buy a bag of diode like that, a few dollars, and this is just ordinary diode. And when you put the circle, it's a LED, means when you flow the current, the lights, it lights up. Okay, we talk about this later. And this diode indicate Schttoky diode, and this kind of diode indicate by this Zener Diode. Okay, so diode has many kind, and also occasionally you use the transistor, and when you use the transistor, this part, the base to emitter, is basically how you design here is going to be same as diode. Okay, the transistor is like, in a sense, like that, but they interact at a certain voltage range, so you cannot treat them as a two diode. Okay, so basic characteristic of diode. Diode basically is a one-way current. This device make the current go one way. When you have voltage go through resistor and the diode, the current goes like that. Okay, and what is this part? This is very, very small, minute amount of current, so it's allowed to flow only one side current. So why is that? Because diode characteristic is like that. For forward voltage, the current increase exponentially, so you can say almost like the zero resistance on this direction. But backward voltage, this is very minute current, so this way the current doesn't flow. Okay, now the realistic diode going to be